everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing Slurp Farm's product. So I have got milk dosa mix beetroot and spinach. I've also got Mighty Puff, choco ragi and tangy tomato. This is a pack of 12. This is the first time I'm trying Slurp Farm's product. I have not given any packaged or processed food to my daughter. So this is something new I'm going to try because a friend recommended this to me. I got this from Amazon. So this is a combo pack which is priced at $151. And this is a pack of 12 which came at about 240 rupees. So the links are given in the description box. So if you look at the packaging, it's really attractive. I love the packaging. The color, the font, everything about the wrapper is so cute. And there's another thing I need to mention is that it is made by two mothers. So this makes me want to trust this brand. They also say they have natural ingredients, no preservatives. The main ingredients are ragi, urad dal, red rice, oats and suji. So it is highly nutritious and healthy. At the back side of the wrapper, they have a little information about the brand and about their other products. There is also a step-by-step direction as to how to make the batter. They also have the nutritional value given here. So making the batter seems to be very easy. Mix half packet of dosa, mix half cup of yogurt and half cup of water into a smooth batter and make it stand for 5 minutes and then make dosas. So that's pretty simple. I'm gonna go and make these dosas and see how it's gonna come. So yeah, let's go to the kitchen.
I'm emptying half packet of dosa mix. To this I'm adding 3 tablespoons of curd. Now I'm adding milk. You can add milk and water as per your desired consistency. You can completely skip curd if your kid doesn't like the sour taste, or just add a tablespoon of curd. Keep mixing the batter thoroughly until no lumps are formed. Warm the dosa pan by adding a little ghee to medium heat. Pour the batter on the pan and spread it evenly. You can add ghee or butter. Flip the dosa to the other side once it's cooked. You can remove the dosa once it's cooked on both the sides. I've added a little water to the batter to make it runny so that I can get a thin dosa. So here we go.
Dear, do you like it? Okay, the dosas were extremely soft and chewy, But when it comes to taste, it is a little different from the regular dosas that we have. So if your kid is very much used to the dosas that you make at home, this is going to taste a little different for them. So in that case, you can add a little natural organic sugar to the batter and then make the dosas. Or if you don't prefer adding sugar, you can simply make the dosas and dip it with a bit of honey when you offer it to them. But I feel that this is how this dosa needs to taste. Okay. So if you're gonna ask me if I recommend this product, I will definitely recommend this product. Yes, because this is highly nutritious and healthy is what I felt overall about it. So you can try it. There's a link that is in the description box which you can use to buy this product from Amazon. Choco Ragi flavor tasted very much like Kellogg's Chocos, but not very sugary. Tangy tomato had a bit of tanginess, but I felt there was a little bit of flavoring agent added to it. If you're going on trips, then this is a very good option to carry few packets with you in case your kid is very fussy. If she's not eating anything, then this is a good option to have. So I hope this video would have been useful to you and answered some of your questions. So again, we'll meet in another video. Till then, bye.